This isn't the Tokyo you see in travel guides. This is where the real city begins.
After dark, the city reveals a completely different world.
Every step pulls you deeper into the unknown.
The city moves fast, and you move with it.
Beyond the lights, silence tells its own story.
In the smallest corners, life feels the most real. The city never pauses. It only shifts.
Every reflection feels like another hidden layer of the city.
Here, every direction leads to another story.
Step away from the rush, and the city changes.
Real moments live in the spaces in between.
Every path feels like it leads somewhere hidden.
The rhythm of the city never truly fades.
And just like that, the city pulls you back in.
And just beyond the noise, a different story begins.
Every corner carries its own flavor.
You don't walk alone here. The city moves with you.
In the details, the culture quietly speaks.
This is where the city gathers.
The city never ends. It only transforms.
When the night deepens, the flavors come alive.
Every dish carries the rhythm of the city.
In these quiet moments, the city feels personal. Even the air here tells a story.
The night moves on, and so do you.
Ahead lies the history, watching over it all.
Some stories stand still, watching everything change.
Every step echoes through time. The details hold what history leaves behind. Passing through feels like crossing another time.
The past and present meet in silence.
And beyond history, the city breathes differently.
Away from the noise, the city finally exhales.
Every reflection feels like a different reality.
Between both sides, the moment feels suspended. Here, the city fades into something quieter.
Even in silence, the city is still alive.
And slowly, The city calls you back again.
Some parts of the city stay hidden by design.
Even the quietest places feel alive.
Every turn feels like a secret waiting to be found. Places like this exist if you look close enough. The deeper you go, the more the city reveals.
And just like that, the night comes alive again.
When the lights take over, the city transforms.
Every step becomes part of something bigger. The city paints itself in motion. This is where everything meets. At its peak, the city feels unstoppable.
And just as quickly, it lets you go.
Beyond the noise, the soul of the city reveals itself.
Here, time feels slower, almost untouched. The smallest details carry the deepest meaning. In silence, the city speaks the loudest.
The past and present walk side by side.
And the city comes back, full circle.
From every angle, the city tells a different story.
And sometimes, the journey is about leaving it behind.
Between light and silence, everything finds balance.
The farther you gaze, the clearer it becomes.
Every place holds more than what you first see.
This journey shows how every place in the world has its own untold story waiting to be explored. This journey shows how every place in the world has its own untold story waiting to be explored.